Let's go through our order again. First thing you want to do is you want to find your P's and Q's. You want to find your factors of all your P's and all your Q's. Okay? Then when you list them, you want to do plus or minus of each one, and the way I do it is I pick the first denominator, try all possible numerators. Next denominator, all possible numerators. Next denominator, okay? So it's easier to find the rationals if you don't have a lot of factors. Sometimes it's a lot of work, all right? But sometimes not. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go through and simplify. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to erase this down here, and we're just going to kind of go through and make it easier. What is plus or minus 1 over 1?
Plus or minus 1.
Okay, so we're just going to write it as plus or minus 1. What is plus or minus 2 over 1?
Plus or minus 2.
Plus or minus 2. Okay. What's this next one?
Plus or minus 3.
Plus or minus 3. And we can just get rid of the fractions. There's no reason for us to have to write that as a fraction, is there?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, what's our next one?
Plus or minus 6.
Perfect. Now, the only time we're going to write down something new is if it's a new one. If it repeats what we've already done, then we don't have to do it again.
Okay.
Okay? So let's go. 1/2. Is that down here already?
Nope.
No.
So I have to write it. Plus or minus 1/2. Plus or minus 2 over 2. Well, that's the same thing as plus or minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not going to rewrite it. So what's my next one?
Plus or minus 3.
Plus or minus 3.
Over 2. Perfect.
Over 2. Yeah.
Now, do I have to do this next one?
No.
Nope.
Because it's already plus or minus 3. That's nice, huh? What about the 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 6/5? I'm going to have to write all those, aren't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. None of those are down there. 1/5 plus or minus 2/5 plus or minus 3/5 plus or minus 6/5. Well, we didn't get a break on that one, but that's okay. I'm going to continue my list down here. How about 1/10?
Needs to go down there.
Okay, plus or minus 1/10. How about 2/10?
Nope.
Already taken care of with the plus or minus 1/5. What about 3/10?
Yes.
Okay, plus or minus 3/10. What about 6/10?
Nope.
No.
Already taken care of, right?
Yep.
All right, so let's look at how many possible rational zeros we have. I'm going to count by 1, and then we'll multiply by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 2 would be what? 24? There are 24 possible rational zeros. Now, there are not 24 rational zeros. There can't be. It's only a third degree equation. The maximum there could be would be 3. But there might not be any. Okay? Now, what that wanted to know, show verification that real zero must be irrational. Graphically show that f of x has one real zero. All right. We're going to plug this into your calculator. Okay? Pause that for me for a second.